Hi, I'm Sarah and I'm one of the tutors here at Wolsey Hall. So this is a video about pronouns. So first of all, what are they? So pronouns are used to replace a noun so that you don't have to keep repeating the same word. So for example, James likes football, he plays it every day. There are two different types of pronouns. So these are used if the person or thing is actually doing the action. So I, you, he, she, it, we, or they. The following are used if the person or thing is having the action done to them. So me, you, him, her, it, us, or them. Possessive pronouns show you what or who owns something. So here's some examples. That cow is ours. Alex needed a pencil, so Amy gave him hers. In your writing, do make sure that your pronouns are clear. So for example, in this sentence, it is not clear who didn't like cycling. Bill went cycling with Bob and he didn't like it. So we don't know if Bill or Bob didn't like it. Finally, too many pronouns can also be confusing. Alice thought she had spotted her, but she wasn't sure that she had. So just ensure that you read through all your work before you submit your assignments and check that you're using pronouns correctly.